So at this stage, well, you don't want to be tempted to turn up that heat. You've got a lot of butter and fat in the bottom of that pan, and you don't want to risk burning the bottom of your crumpets, okay? This is going to take a nice long time. Allow them to rise and the side of the ring to get hot to bake the edges of your crumpet, okay? Now I'm starting to see some bubbles there, so I'm going to go on with my tray and cover the top of my frying pan. So the lid has been on top of my crumpet. I'm going to remove the lid and then try and remove the rings from my crumpets. So yes, we have some holes. Look at that. So you just want to remove the rings from your crumpets so the outside can cook lovely.